I think that they've definitely made this difficult to decide because obviously we want this amazing opportunity. If it had just come, several months later when we had more of a chance to really test the product in more places and do our market test, really get our model down and see how do we want to contain it? Do we want to do it in cans and plastic bottles? But Albertsons and Safeway are both making that pretty difficult. I think I would go with just going with Albertsons because then at least you are only spending a few $100,000 instead of giving up $1 million of credit almost between Albertsons and Safeway. I think going with just Albertsons enables us to have this great opportunity without so much of the risk. We can prove our business model, and we still some risk involved, of course, but at least we're negating some of that, and we still have to offer them the credit that they've asked for, but ultimately we don't have quite as much risk as when we go with both Albertsons and Safeway. I thought this case study was really interesting, and it really shows us the supply side of companies and what it would be like to create a product that sells in places like Costco and Albertsons and Safeway. I never knew how that worked before, and this is really interesting. I was really surprised with their $15 million valuation when they have so few sales. So I think just their market research and their product research was a really big benefit to them and giving them such a high valuation. And then I was really interested by they're giving equity to the sports, their skier, the person that's promoting their product. Instead of paying him, they just gave him equity, which I think can be a really good idea for a company that is short on cash.